Finally, Dominic needs to set up attribution and pixel implementation. Understanding whether revenue is picked up and attributed correctly could be difficult without the Revenue Diagnostics page. Dominic manages hundreds of thousands of keywords, each with their own tracking ID, which ensures conversion data is correctly attributed. The Revenue Diagnostics page is broken into 7 sections. Each section is demarked with a red alert, blue warning, or a green check depending on whether there are issues with configuration. The Revenue Warnings section provides a summary of revenue integration. 1. At the top of the page, under Revenue Warnings, Dominic can review a summary of issues. For the most part, everything looks pretty good, only one issue tied to conversion tracking. 2. The platform should load revenue every day if platform tracking pixel or third-party systems are used. For this account, Dominic is using publisher tracking, which passes data through an API so no revenue files are present. If there was a file, Dominic would use this section to identify issues with his revenue attribution to tracking IDs. The source column defines whether the file came from a third party as file upload or the platform tracking pixel. Dominic would also see the percentage of rows failed. A high failure rate of more than 5% suggests that URLs may be duplicated or missing attribution. To review the uploaded file with failures noted, Dominic could click the source link. 3. Tracking IDs are used for attributing revenue to the right keyword and creative. Without these, revenue will not be attributed. Dominic has both a keyword ID and creative ID in place. 4. The URL builder ensures that new keywords or creatives have the correct URL format, while autocorrect checks existing URLs for duplications, missing URL parameters, or other issues and fixes the issues as it finds them. Although we highly recommend activating these settings before turning them on, do discuss the implications with your assigned online marketing manager or client services manager. 5. In the publisher tracking section, Dominic can see his problem. His Microsoft account has publisher tracking turned off. As he is not getting a third-party revenue file or a platform tracking pixel file, this means he is receiving no revenue. The platform would also warn Dominic if he had the publisher tracking turned on and a third-party revenue file delivered, as this can result in data being overwritten for one system by the other. Dominic has millions of keywords in his publisher and search accounts. Tracking and resolving cost and revenue inconsistencies in these accounts can be a nightmare. The Revenue Diagnostics page helps him understand why revenue may be inconsistent. A checklist of revenue failures and platform pixel tracking and publisher setups help him get the right answer faster.